Welcome back to my channel, Explained, where we discuss one interesting topic a week. In this video, we will delve deeper into the intricate numerical patterns and mathematical miracles that continue to astound scholars and believers alike. Join us as we unravel the divine symmetry embedded within the Quran's verses. This video is divided into 3 segments, and we will explain each segment with examples. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to help my channel grow. Let's start. Segment number 1. The significance of prime numbers. One of the remarkable mathematical features found in the Quran is the prevalence of prime numbers. Prime numbers are those that are only divisible by 1 in themselves. Their occurrence in the Quran serves as evidence of deliberate design and divine inspiration. Our first example is the frequency of primes. Scholars have discovered that prime numbers appear with remarkable consistency in the lengths of chapters and verses. For example, the 29th chapter of the Quran, Surah Al-Ankabut, starts with the Arabic letter Aleph. This chapter emphasizes the importance of the divine message and its connection to knowledge. Interestingly, the 29th prime number is 109, and the word knowledge appears exactly 109 times in the Quran. Our second example is prime numbers in chapter lengths. When we examine the lengths of the chapters in the Quran, we find a unique distribution of prime numbers. Chapters with prime numbers of verses tend to have deeper spiritual significance, conveying profound messages to the believers. This intentional arrangement of prime numbers adds an additional layer of mathematical beauty to the Quran. Segment number 2. Mathematical structures and geometric harmonies. Beyond prime numbers, the Quran exhibits intricate mathematical structures and geometric harmonies that showcase the divine wisdom of its composition. First example is symmetry and balance. The Quran displays a remarkable sense of symmetry and balance in its arrangement of verses and chapters. For instance, the central verse of the Quran is found in Surah Al-Baqarah. This verse holds a pivotal position, emphasizing the unity of the Muslim community and their direction of prayer. It is surrounded by an equal number of verses before and after it, maintaining a sense of balance and symmetry. Our second example is geometric patterns. Geometric patterns, such as the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio, are known for their aesthetic appeal and prevalence in nature. Surprisingly, these mathematical principles also emerge within the Quran. Fibonacci sequence, the frequencies of certain words or phrases in the Quran, such as month and day, exhibit a pattern akin to the Fibonacci sequence. This sequence is renowned for its presence in natural phenomena, like the arrangement of leaves on a stem or the spirals of a seashell. The golden ratio, often represented by the value 1.618, is found in various aspects of the Quran's structure. For example, the ratio between the number of chapters and the number of verses in the Quran approximates the golden ratio. This mathematical constant is renowned for its aesthetic appeal and harmonious proportions. Segment number 3. Numeric codes and patterns. The Quran also contains intricate numeric codes and patterns that further highlight its divine origin and intricate composition. First example is numeric miracles. Researchers have discovered fascinating numeric patterns in the Quran, which defy coincidence and point to a deliberate design. For instance, the Arabic word for month appears precisely 12 times in the Quran, symbolizing the 12 months of the lunar calendar. Example number 2. The sum of verses. When we sum the verse numbers throughout the Quran, a remarkable pattern emerges. The sum of all verse numbers is precisely 6,346, indicating an intentional structure and divine organization within the text. The mathematical wonders within the Quran continue to captivate mathematicians, scholars, and believers alike. The intricate patterns, prime numbers, geometric harmonies, and numeric codes we've explored today provide compelling evidence of the Quran's divine origin. These mathematical miracles not only demonstrate the sublime beauty of the Quran but also invite us to reflect on the deeper meaning and guidance it offers. Join us in our next episode as we continue to uncover fascinating aspects of our world. Until then, keep exploring and marveling at the wonders of the Quran and the universe. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content.